recorded.
So, like, let me just be clear with it. So there are many tools, open tools in the market. Okay, so there are other tools like Selenium, and also there are many more automation tools. But currently, every company is focused on Tricentis Tosca. So the reason is Tosca can automate end-to-end flows, and it has multiple technologies where it can automate on a single platform. So the end users are the customers. So customers in the sense, maybe the folks which are giving projects. Okay, they are very keenly interested on this automation tool. Why? Because it is easy to use. So if any fresher in my team, so if they join, okay, it's very easy, so that I can I can teach it to everyone, so they can teach it to others. So that's why this automation tool has been picking up pace. Okay, every company like banking sectors and mining and this oil and gas, electricity, everyone, every domain in the industry, they are focusing on the this automation tool. Why? Because it can able to automate multiple technologies. So that's the reason why people are trying to choose Tricentis Tosca over other tools. I don't say other tools are less, or I don't say other tools are uh, you know Tosca is comparatively in my own understanding, in my experience, I can say this. Tricentis Tosca is very easy to learn and apply as well. So for testing purpose, okay. So that's why we use the Tricentis Tosca as an automation tool for testing purpose. So I'll show the logo of Tricentis. So this is the logo of Tricentis. Okay, so this is the company, and the automation tool that we're gonna use is Tosca. Okay, Tosca. Tosca has many more advanced features in it. Well, you can integrate your data, and there is Neoload, where you can do the continuous performance testing, and Q-test, which is an management tool, and you can see the analytics in it, and many more things. Okay, we can even integrate this Tricentis Tosca tool with different other applications as well. So that's why preferably most companies are looking onto Tricentis Tosca. If you search on Naukri or any other job portal, or if hello boss. So that's why comparatively all the companies are looking for Tosca. So if you are searching for a job, and that doing the testing, it's best you go with this tool, which is Tricentis Tosca, which is testing tool. Okay, so let me just show you how to register as an user, and how to download it, and how to automate. Uh, so Bharadwaj, once again. Adi laptop on chesiva. So today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to automate. Okay, just like that. But today just explore it. When I'm doing automation, I'm not gonna teach it, okay, to you today. I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to automate. Okay, there are 2-3 steps where you can create a module, and you can script your test case, and you can execute it. Okay, just give me a few seconds that I'll start showing you the real. So when you uh, when you think what's good about Tosca, so it reduces cost effective. So I say, like, if there are 10 or 20 testers, if required for automating other tools, Here we can automate it like with 2 or 3 or 4 resources. That's how we can save the cost, by cutting the employees. So I didn't want to save this, but this is the fact. Okay, it's comparatively faster, 20 times more efficient and 20 times more faster when compared to other tools. You can do the cross-browser testing and whatnot. Absolutely no coding required. Okay, we just have the tool. You go onto it, and you automate. That's it. Very easy process. So let me just open it and that open up. Zoom lo open up. And do you have any doubts about this tool? You can ask me questions. I'll allow you. Meeting ID of the no meeting line. Login this. So 1 minute, I'm gonna log into another system and I'm gonna share my screen over there.
Okay.
Hey, how are you today? I mean, like we haven't been like I haven't introduced myself, right? So I have few years of experience in this tracing this Tosca tool, and I have completed more than 22, 24, or 25 batches, I think, hopefully. And even I don't remember how many I have done. And also, like I place many folks, and I have contacts in every main companies like Accenture, whatnot. So there are my students all over. You can think it like Chiranjeevi movie, like what's that? ACF or something. We have many folks like that. So if you are, if you join in any company, I can give you some contact over there so that they can help you. So this thing I can do. So let me just open up that. Surprise ఇంకోసారి దీంట్లో ఆపేసి దీంట్లో ఉందా దాంట్లో సార్ జూమ్ రిఫ్రెష్ చేయాలి
Recording.
1 second, guys. 1 second. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, let me share my screen. Let me know once you are able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
CH. Like on this one. Yep. And you see over here, right? What it is saying? Pricing this Chrome extension. Please mute yourself. Okay. So you see the symbol over here, right? So this is called as Pricing this Tosca. Okay, Tosca automation extension for Chrome. So let me say this: why we need this extension. So any extension is needed for some applications. The extensions are needed. So we call it as extensions or add-ons. Am I correct? Add-ons. Okay. So these add-ons or extensions, what they'll do is they will get all the permissions. Okay, all the permissions. Like, hey folks, have you ever installed any application in your phone? Please go on listening.
No, sir.
No. Hey, in your mobile, not this pricing this Tosca. Any application in your you might have. Am I correct? So what
Yes,
it will ask after installation, what it will ask?
Permission. Setting permission.
Yes. Allow permissions to camera, allow permission to mic, allow permission to whatnot, files and etc. and etc. Am I correct?
Yes.
As this is an automation tool and it's not a human. Okay, it's an automation tool. If I'm working on any of please mute after answer it. Okay, it's an automation tool. So like if I am working on anything and if suddenly some pop-up comes up, okay, like for the permission or a few things, I can go and click on allow. But we have already automated. Like think we have already automated everything, but we don't have an extension. Okay, what happens during automation? It will it will stop at that step. Am I correct? Yes, it would stop over there. So what this extension will do is it will gather all the permissions at once. You can see what are all the permissions, whatever the permission that is there. Okay, maybe pop-ups, maybe something, and maybe something extra. So it will give all the access to present is Tosca. And these add-ons or extensions are also harmful, guys. If you see any extension without your permission or something, if you find any extension like this, see ad blocker, free ad blocker. So these kind of application, extensions will harm your computer. Like if you ask me how, so without your knowledge, your camera might be on. Without your knowledge, they'll have access to your credit cards and whatnot that is saved in your system. They'll have access to everything. So that's why we don't use this, untrusty add-ons or extensions in our laptops. Okay. So as this Ryzen this automation tool, as it is an automation tool, it requires this extension. Okay. Nowadays, Chrome is not allowing, extensions. It has made strict their policies. So mostly they, changed their policies and they made it effective. So only the companies who are registered here or whatever that is, available in, Chrome extension site or a Chrome web store, only that extensions you can. So fortunately, we have this Tosca automation extension in Chrome. Okay, we can utilize this extension before automating anything. So you need only Internet Explorer doesn't require any Chrome extension or something, or extension. All the other browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, or whatever the browser it is, Edge. Okay, all these applications need this Tosca Chrome extension. Well, you can manually also you can add this extension. If you ask me how, I'm going to show it to you. So, but this is not the correct time. Hope you understood the importance of. Hope you understood the importance of this extension or add-on. Okay, so let's get back. Okay, so I'll show you a few things. Demo workshop. వాడికి ఫోన్ చేసి కొత్త URL ఏదో ఉంది వాడి దగ్గర డెమో వర్క్షాప్ మన అడుగు ఒకసారి వచ్చేసింది. సో this is also demo workshop and that is also demo workshop. Both are owned by Tricentis. Okay, so both applications are owned by Tricentis. Either you can use this demo workshop or that demo workshop. So this is called as an system under test or application under test. If I say what is the system under test, and if I say system under test or application under test, what it means is like you need to gather an application. So suppose you're in a company, so the company is going to provide you that application. So you're going to test it. But for learning purpose, at least you need some applications, right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for learning purpose. So that's why Tricentis, folks are very intelligent. I also fought with Tricentis a few years back. So what happened is they made available they gave their Tricentis Tosca tool for free for learning purpose. Only for learning. Please mute yourself. Okay. So for learning purpose, what Tricentis Tosca has done is they gave three applications for us for pure learning purpose. And also they made their tool available for us for learning purpose. And also they have given us the cloud license with minimal access, not all the access. It's solely for learning purpose, right? So they have removed certain accesses for like main parts like data integrity and a few things, Tosca BA and these checkout and check-in and these things, connecting to the DB, these things. Okay. It can be only done through a license, proper license. So when you join in a company, your company is gonna purchase that license for you. Okay. They will register your name and they will purchase your Tricentis license for you. Only then you can automate in multi-user repository. I'll say everything while automating, but for your knowledge, I'm saying this. So as Tricentis has given us for these applications for us to learn, what happened is, so if I invented a tool, okay, only my company knows how to automate it. Let's suppose it's Puneet company. Only I can automate, and I only have this sole access to this, application or tool. Okay. So what happens then? Everyone can learn. Everyone cannot learn, right? So it's an effective approach. What they have done is they made it available to everyone. So they will give 60 days of free license for us to learn, so that all over the world, all over the testers, all the companies can easily download this tool and they can learn this tool. After learning, they can effectively implement the testing on their companies by purchasing this license. Isn't it a good method? So that's how Tricentis Tosca has evolved. So what happened is few years ago, there are only 2 certifications free. You can learn only minimal things in Tricentis. Even I send various mails for Tricentis saying that if you are not providing us the certificates, if you are forcing us to buy these certificates instead of making it free, who will learn? It's around $142, mean like roughly 15 to 16,000, a single certificate. Only AS1 and AS2 are free before. All the other certifications like SAP, and API and automation, engineer level 1, engineer level 2, all these certifications are commercial. So even I fought with the Tricentis and many others. So they made it we keep on sending them mails. So what happened is they made their certifications free of cost. I'll show you. You see, right? This is free. This is free. And this certificate used to cost $142. And this one as well. This one as well. This one as well. This one as well. Everything. But now everything is free. You can learn either from here. If you want to go and learn, you can directly learn from here. But what I'll say is you cannot do that. If you ask me why, so they'll be like, these classes are intended for software, folks like, who already has experience with automation, like Selenium and other tools. Why? Because they know all the techniques and they know how testing is done and they know the terminologies. So you maybe you don't know, right? So my classes will help you in such a way that you can learn my classes by looking and learning my classes, and then you can come here and you can do these certifications and then you can improve. Day-to-day improvement will be there for you. So first, let me complete my classes. And lastly, I'll say how to do these certifications. Okay, is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is another application where Retesting has provided us for learning purpose. It is also exactly same as like Flipkart. The domain is e-commerce. The domain is e-commerce. E-commerce in the sense online selling platform. Okay, online buying platform or selling platform. Okay, and also one more application Tyson has given us. Sanities, insurance application. What happened? So it's taking some time. So this one as well. So this is an insurance application where you can do insurance. There will be end-to-end flow. Okay, so you can use this both all the URLs. I'm gonna send you, but mainly you focus on this one. It is comparatively easy when I'm gonna share it in chart. Can you please copy and paste it somewhere, folks?
Yes, sir. Okay.
And my suggestion is don't automate Amazon or banking applications or other applications. It is forbidden that companies might sue you. Okay, don't automate the live applications. So these are the sample applications where you can automate. So please copy that all the URLs from the chart window. Once you are finished, let me know. I'll start automating the first test case. Completed? Let me know once it's completed. Done, folks?
Not yet, Mike.
Please make it fast. Okay, until the end of the meeting, those chart will be there. Do it later or now. So let me just automate a simple thing.
Yeah, it's open.
So, like, how many registrations can you do manually, guys? So, very basic thing. You come here, you just click on register. You select all the fields. So, brush, password, something which is generic. Okay, register. How much time it took for me to register a single user? How much time it took? Nearly some minutes. Am I correct? So can I do 100 registrations? with a single test case using automation Tosca? Yes, we can do it. Let me show you how. But this is not an actual class. I'm not going to teach you anything. What I am trying to make you understand is, I'm trying to make you understand how easy it is to automate and how fast it is. That's it, okay? Actual classes will be started. 1 second. I got a call from my teammate. So where I am, yeah, I'm going to show you how I automate and how all others automate. Okay, let's just create a folder as simple as that. Clicking on the folder simple, demo web shop, or I'll name it as batch 25. Okay, oh, sorry. Hi, what happened? Name it. Okay. Okay. Just perform a right click. There you can see a scan option and there is application. Okay, so there you can see this. And if I perform a right click there, you can see this similar, many things, many options. What this meant is depending upon the technology that we are going to automate, like whether it is an API, whether it is an Salesforce, whether it is an SAP. So it's gonna pick it from here. So all the available applications here, this is a desktop application. If I perform a right click on it, it's gonna select Vision AI or any UI or UIA. So this is also same. This is also same. This is also same. You can see. Okay. So it's gonna pick up the technology automatically. You don't need to do. As we're automating a web application, it directly selected HTML. Okay, HTML or web application scan. Okay. Sure. Okay, got it, folks? As this is a web application, so it's gonna pick up HTML scan. So now I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna press on this scan. That's it. I can automate whatever I need. I'll just go and I'll save fastly. 1 second. Next. See, I need that beside elements also for future use. So I am saving it right now so that I can use them later on. Okay. Just yeah, sure. Okay, just save this. Okay, so you can see under module saved successfully. Close it and come back again and scan once more. Scan that application. 1 second. You can click on refresh once and scan again. So same process. Whatever required, you go and select. Okay, and save them. Okay, now other steps are needed. So you can see these symbols right here. So you can test this also. So positive testing and negative testing. Positive scenarios and negative scenarios. Positive and negative means I can fill all the details and I click on register. It will take me to the next page. Or else I don't fill one of the field and I click on register. What happens is it is going to show this error. So you need to verify these two. So there is two types of scenarios you can do, but as we are doing a positive approach now, so there is, yeah, 1 second. Why it is taking time? Unlock HTML page. What the hell? What happened? Hey, come on. Okay, so that module has been saved. And I am going to scan once again. Leave. So I need this one as well and log out as well. Okay. So right click, perform a scan again. Same process. I need this. I need to verify whether this message is appearing or not. And this button as well. And this link as well. So you can see that orange color. It means that it is not unique. I'll make it unique. And save. That's it. I'll tell you what is unique and what is not unique, how I am defining it, and how we can maintain it later on. So for just now, our test case has been completed. Let us write it manually. So please tell me the steps, or I'll open an Excel sheet. So mainly the test cases will be written in an Excel sheet by functional testers, or you might need to write your own test cases. They will give you the requirements or some acceptance criteria. By looking at that acceptance criteria, you can write the test case. Don't worry, they will provide you the KTs also. How that application, what is that application, and what you need to do with that application. So the navigations and everything. So for a basic thing, test step expected output or result. Expected result. Okay. Or I'll remove this final result, or I'll rename it output. So correct, right? So if I'm performing something on it, okay, I'll write something. So first step is go and open application. Demo web shop. Okay, and also we'll add one more column to it, that is test data. So let us add it over here. Test data and last output. Okay, so open demo web shop application expected. Demo web shop should open. Open. Okay, test data. What is test data? This thing. Okay, so that's the test data. So the things that are required, data. So you need some data to automate, right? So few things they need to provide us. So that is this. And output is after running, we can write the output. Only after executing, we can provide the output. What has happened? So whether it is expected, like I mean, working as expected or not. And after that, verify. Right? Register link. So I don't want to make it complicated. So I'll make it simple. Click on register. After that, enter, right, details. Click on submit, right? Submit or what is that? Register. Submit or register. Okay. Verify. Successful. Verify. Successful. Registration message. Successful message. Verify whether user successfully registered. Okay, and then click on continue. Click on log out. So this is our test case. So after clicking on register, what happens? The registration page should appear, right? User successfully all required details. Am I correct? User should be created. Okay. Your choose. To appear. To able to first page. Okay, I need something created. Okay, now user should. Okay, so you can take all the test data. Test data is like, how on the application, if you see this after clicking on register, test data is this one. Whatever you are providing here, all this test data will be given by the company itself. For now, our practice purpose, we'll do it randomly. Okay, silent one. Okay, so the test data should the company will provide you the test data from their databases. So you don't need to worry about that in the company. But right now, there is no company or anything. So we are, giving our own test data. So that's up to us. Okay. So this is it, guys. So let me just do that, click on register. Registration page has appeared. Am I correct? I should be able to fill all the details. Right? Okay. Okay, so I have filled all the details and then I click on register. So I click on register. So after clicking on register, this page should be appear. After this page appears, you can see your registration completed, and there you can see though a user has been successfully created or registered. Okay, and then you click on continue. It should able to navigate to this page, first page. Am I correct? All the steps are there, right? Whatever that I have written. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the same thing which you did manually. So now let us do it through automation. And I'll show you how effective it is. So I'm going to create a test case, guys. Same on identity. Run it. Yeah. Lane level. Aim level. Okay. Preconditions, post conditions level. So okay, I'll start it. Whatever you're doing, others also should able to, they need to look and they need to know what you are doing. So we give defined naming structure. So this is the test case actually. TC1. Okay. Now I'll create 3 folders. First folder I'll name it as precondition. It differs company to company, but precondition and post condition is same. In middle, we'll have steps.
different companies uses different things. So I'm giving all the namings over there. Okay, steps, or they can call it as workflow or else process. So what's the precondition? So precondition is nothing. So మనకి ఏదైనా సోదం ఉందనుకోండి ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ చాలా ఉన్నాయి applications. So what it will do is first it will go and close all the browsers. Okay, it will close all the browsers or whatever the browser that we define, it will close. And here also after our work is done, again it will close all the browsers. So in order to do that, Triage has given command prompt kind of thing, task debug start program. Don't worry guys, I haven't teaching you automation. Once again I am saying I am trying to show you how easy it is to automate. That's it. Path is task kill. The arguments are /f /im /f chrome.exe. What is this .exe file? After you download your Chrome, this is the one where it is getting triggered and that is opening. So this will be found in C drive. Okay, I am giving an argument. Go and close this Chrome browser, chrome.exe. Okay, so let us just trigger this one. Let us open all the browsers or Chrome browser. As we define Chrome, we'll open. Okay. Right click and click on run. Let us see this browser is going to disappear or not. No, something. Forward in the bayana. Chudu. Yeah, touch. Or just this. Run. ఏమైంది కాలేదా TASKKILL task argument is /f CHROME same right chrome.exe. What happened then? Yeah, now it has closed. Okay, so precondition and post condition are same. So like while doing automation, you need to close the browser and you need to open the application, and after all the work is done, you need to close the browser again. So this is the condition. So precondition and post condition. You can copy paste the same condition in post condition also. See, done. Or you can rename this close application, or close browser. Okay. So now the actual work begins here. So we need to open the application first. Open application. So again, so the try scientist will give us open URL. So you don't need to do anything. Just copy paste there. That's it. The URL you copy paste over here. So what it will do is, if you right click and run it, it's gonna open up your application by default. So the entry open is Agile. So what we can do is, you can also define your browser, if, like which browser you want to automate. So that is easy process. So go here. Okay, there you will see test configuration parameter. Right click. Just easy peasy. Everything is here. That's it. Now, open run. See, the application has opened. As simple as that. Now, I'll add some wait time here, guys, because I'll tell you later why I have used that. 4 seconds. Okay, so one folder is completed. Actual flow, or steps, process, or anything you can process. Come back right here. The first thing that you are going to do for registration, what is it? Am I correct? You can either provide the syntax here, that is click, or either you can give X. Okay, I'll tell the difference between later on. So for now, I'm going to use this syntax. It's click. That's it. Completed. What's the one more step that we require? Fill all the necessary details. Okay. So it's gonna be, again, what you do on a radio button, you click on it. And then first name, I don't want to, each and every time I don't want to go and write something here. Instead, what I'll do is I'll give a syntax over there, okay, which is, everything will be there, guys. You can see it will create 7 characters or 6 characters. That's up to you, whatever you define in here, in these square brackets. So, RANDOMTEXT. So I'm going to give 6 characters. That's quite enough. So it will randomly generate 6 characters. I mean, 6 strings. Same copy paste it, same here. Okay, that's it. Email. For email generation, what I'll do is I'll use the same syntax. Okay, so any issues with syntax, it won't take. @gmail.com. Okay. Password also. So you don't randomly generate it, right? Okay. So password should be same for everything, right? Am I correct? See, those two passwords should be same. That's why I'm giving the taking from CP syntax. So I'll tell all this later on, but for now, don't worry, guys. Don't worry about this. I'm showing you. Again, I am telling. This is just to showcase how easy it is. Okay. 1 second. Okay. And then again, you need to click on that button, right? Click on registration button. Okay. Charging. So I'll add some more. Don't worry about all these. These are very simple. Everything is English, guys. The last step. So logout should be last, right? Logout should be last. That's why I jumbled its position. Verify logout. What we need to verify, whether this message is appearing or not. Can I either put? Yeah, and this thing. So this is the final execution. What I'll do is I'll add one folder demo and then execution list. So now it is completed. See, that symbol has gone away. Right. Patients on the area. Repetitions are not. Five users. I need 5 users. So I'm giving repetition as 5 so that it will iterate and execute how many times? So we put on construction pair on wait time open the configuration parameter. Okay. Sorry, folks. Okay. So what happened is in execution list also we need to define our browser. That's the reason I'm going to hard this execution. Hi. Nobody. So here also we'll add one more retest configuration parameter. Browser is Chrome. Okay. So you can see all the actual results will be, so the result, it will save the results as well. But I'm now going to delete that one. I don't want it. Run. Yeah. Like what happened? Okay. So I deleted that execution list. Sorry. I'm gonna run it once more. Sorry. Once more, I'll stop on this execution. So it tried to close the browser. Now it will open it again. In the late also execution. Actually, the execution is faster, but I don't know what's happening. 'Oh, internet issue. So guys, hello?
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's it.
Okay. So it has failed. Let us check why it has failed.
Sir.
4 seconds. It didn't open the application. Why? Open application. Wait. I'll increase some time. 6,000 seconds. I mean 6 seconds, 6,000 means. Open application should be able to open. Why it's not open? Oh, it's opening. Why the hell it didn't open there? Let us do one thing then. I'll just execute one test case. No. As the browser is now open, it will close the browser. Open URL is not working. So one module is not working, I think. Let us see what I can do. Man. Let us run it locally. I think it should be able to work. URL. Okay. Seems there is an issue. So now let us check out. Yeah, that's the issue. Timing issue, guys. Synchronization issue. And also, I forgot to. It will click on register. It will enter details by itself. See how it is fast, how fast it is. And it will go and click on continue. I think it's waiting. After waiting, it will go on click on continue. Or else it will fail because of timing issue. Yep. Let us see what happened now in Tosca commander. And property. Yeah, that's the timing issue. Yes, it is there. Space flow. Huh? Huh? Rescan చేద్దాం ఒకసారి పైన టెస్ట్ కేసు లేకపోతే ఇంతకుముందు చేసినట్టు అది కూడా ఎంత I think it's mostly of timing issue. So what I'll do is I'll add one more step called as debox wait. I'll put it over there. Wait for 4 seconds. Now just run it again. There will be one more issue. I'll tell it. Ni laptop ko save అవుతుంది సేవ్ చేయమని అనుకుంటా సేవ్ అయిపోతుంది లాగౌట్ ఎవ్రీ టైం ప్రెస్ చేయాలి కానీ లాగౌట్ యాడ్ చేసుకున్నాం ప్రాపర్టీ ఇన్ టెక్స్ట్ వాస్ నాట్ ఫార్మ్ అంటే ఇది కాదు ఇష్యూ ఇన్ టెక్స్ట్ ఈక్వల్ అంతే కదా Okay, I got it. So action mode should be verified. Verification, right? This message we need to verify. By mistake, I think I have that. verification ఉండదా? లేదా? So I think now we are good to go. Let us see. There is one more issue, guys. I wantedly did it. I'll tell you why I have. So remember this error in the future. For the future classes, I'll explain them. Okay. Can you remember this error for me? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is this chart box? Okay, save it somewhere. And also one more thing. This error also. Ask me in the future class, I'll tell you. And modules. Hey. What the hell? Engineer? Automation. This is called automation. Wow, now. See, guys. So that's what happening. That's what happens. If you want to, same. If you want to do this, if you want to, save this 10 users, you can do it. You can produce n number of users with this single test case. Okay. So if you want to see each and every time it will produce new user. So what I do is synchronize. So whatever the changes that I made now, they will get over here, and the repetitions will be 5, Synchronize. Again, synchronize. And now run it. Every time a new name will be there, if you can observe. See, some V8 S1, right? Remember that 516009, right? Okay. Okay. Once you script any test case, that's it. It's gonna create different users with different test data. See that it created ZY user right now. Before it is 51@gmail.com. Now it is ZY@gmail.com. Okay, it executed successfully 2 times. It's gonna get executed again. Which name it has produced right now? Has anyone observed what is the Gmail that it produced right now? $51, $59. Okay, ZY. And now the last test case. Okay, color okay. See, so you see, right? Did you find any difficulty in this scripting? I mean, you can even give your name directly here. So I wanted, every time I wanted to generate first name and last name and email separately. So that's why I use that syntax. Do you feel it is easier, or is there any scripting? Do you find any language, C#, Java, Python, .NET? Do you find anything in it?
No, sir. It's all on application based, like we're doing in mobile.
Yeah, same. Whatever we do manually, so here also we do it the same. Okay, but there are certain things you need to learn each and everything from these details, test configurations, and see here the value, what is action mode, what is data type, what is work state, and what is this. Okay, these things will be, explained in the future classes. This class is just to make sure and let you know how easy it is. Okay, I'm gonna explore you all the techniques that were required. You are active again. Okay. Any doubts, guys? I mean, like, you shouldn't have any doubts on automation part, but do you feel it easier, or do you want to say something to me, or do you want to ask anything?
Sir, hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, sir. How can we do the practice in home session when we get any app But same
Yeah.
app we can get it, sir.
Tomorrow's class, in tomorrow's class, I'm gonna tell you how to install, how to raise a request for license and everything. Today's class is just for explanation, right? So,
Okay. Okay. Sir. Yeah.
and if it is offline classes, right? If you come here, I can teach you continuously. I can show you the real-time project also. So, but in online, you will get something. I mean, I don't say you will get 90%. Remaining 10% is the that is the lag that you're going to do. Uh, 8 or 8 అనుకుంటా 7. Any doubts? Please go on. Okay. Okay, Sharif, you can.
Okay, sir.
So, don't think, all the steps will be like this simple demo web shop application. Okay. I'm going to teach you the techniques so that you can automate any application. So the real-time applications, what the companies that are going to give you may be comparatively, so they'll be like this. Maybe they'll give Amazon. Okay. So this is customer application, means this is intended for customers. Okay. So either you can get this application, or else there will be backend applications where the companies will use. So if you purchase an item, it should go through some series of steps, right? First, it notifies the Amazon company. Then the order will goes to the concerned people who are selling it. Then from there, the item is available. That vendor will send the message again to Amazon. So, and then Amazon will now send a confirmation order for you. So your order has been booked. After booking, it should go through the logistics. Logistics in the sense like traveling, packing, all these things until it reaches you. After reaching, the delivery boy has some other application. So they'll maintain some other application. The delivery boy should say that like after he hand it over to you. So the delivery boy should press so confirm the user has received the order. After that order received confirmation from him to company. So again, you will get one more email and one more message in the application. So the product has been successfully handed over to you. Thanks, and visit us again. Shop us again. How many applications there are gonna get involved, and how complex the structure will be. Okay. So these complex structures and about the application. So the company will give you the KTs. KTs in the sense knowledge transfer. So first, after you join the company, they will make you learn their application, about their application. They will give all the details. Only after that, you need to automate. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubts? Any more doubts?
I think so.
What about Charan, Sharif,
No, sir.
Murthy,
No, sir.
Naveen,
No, sir.
Nikhil?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So in tomorrow's class, we'll have this installation class, installation, software request, and everything. So before that, I will let you know this. Tomorrow, make sure you open your Zoom in your personal laptops. Okay. We'll install simultaneously in a group, WhatsApp group. I'm gonna send a download file for you directly. Okay. Please
Okay, sir.
download and
Okay.
install it. So the system requirement is, it should be of i3 or i5 processor,
and it should have 8 GB of RAM. Okay, got it?
Yes,
i5 is the best. i3 is also good, but i5 is the best. i5 and 8 GB. దానికంటే తక్కువ configuration ఉన్నది, it will work. So even if it's in a lower configuration, it will work, but it will be damn slow. It will make your computer too slow. 8 GB is preferable. i5 processor is the preferable processor. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna send that file. Please install it tomorrow, and we'll discuss the rest of the things from Monday. So tomorrow there will be no class as it is Saturday and Sunday. Okay? Is there any problem?
No.
Okay.
Awesome.
Even I have to enjoy my 2 days of holidays, right?
Okay, sure.
Okay. So Monday sharp 1 o'clock, or let me know one defined timing for it. I cannot make it 1, 2, 3 or like that. You discuss among yourself and please let me know the timing. In between morning 8 a.m., 9 a.m., or else from 1 to in between 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's up to you. Let's make it afternoon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever the time that you are suitable. You talk among yourself and let me know.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Have a great day. I'm gonna send this recording for you as well. Please go through it once. Thank you. Have a great day. Happy weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.